Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated the Tribal Cultural Experience Project in Chaumakkedima district of Nagaland. The project under the Ministry of Tourism aims to promote tribal cultural experience to visitors at the recreation center midway retreat at Tasaipama village between the state capital Kohima and commercial hub Dimapur. The tribal cultural experience would also provide tourists with the opportunity to stay in traditional cottages and learn about the tribal culture and way of Naga people besides enjoying Naga cuisine, officials said. The Prime Minister virtually inaugurated the project from Srinagar along with 53 other projects in different parts of the country as a part of the Swadesh Darshan 2.0 scheme of the Ministry of Tourism. The virtual launching of the project Modi was live screened by the Tourism Department here and several state government officials were present. State Tourism Commissioner and Secretary I. Kito Jimomi said Nagaland missed out on the industrial and green revolution but should take advantage of joining the bandwagon of the tourism sector. As anticipation mounts for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's scheduled visit to Itanagar, the capital city of Arunachal Pradesh on March 9, preparations are underway. The city's administration, in coordination with security forces, has embarked on a comprehensive overnight maintenance drive to ensure that the city is primed to welcome the VVIP guests. In a bid to present Itanagar at its best, streets and highways have undergone extensive cleaning and maintenance activities overnight. The administration has been overseeing the process, ensuring that the cityscape exudes cleanliness and orderliness ahead of Prime Minister's arrival. Simultaneously, security measures have been significantly intensified across Arunachal Pradesh as security forces remain on high alert. The Inspector General of Police (IGP) chaired a crucial meeting with top security officials to review and bolster security arrangements for the forthcoming visit, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi expected to inaugurate various projects and address a public rally during his visit. Security preparedness is paramount. In light of the unexpected influx of visitors, Mayor of Itanagar Municipal Corporation Tame Fashang has extended a warm invitation to citizens of the capital complex and nearby towns to witness the Prime Minister's address on March 9.